So I'm going to play around with some more color mixing, and this type of painting is called combing. So I've painted it and then I streak the paint. This is actually a print right here, and I'll show you that in a second video. I'm going to show you this textured part here. So texture is the way something feels. When I rub my fingers over this, it is a little bit bumpy. So that's real texture. This part here, it actually feels really smooth, but it looks like it could be bumpy, but it's not. This is called visual texture. You look at it and you can see the texture, but you can't feel it. So I'm going to show you the real texture here. So the way I got that effect was I've got my paper, and usually I use these are called combs. I guess you could use like a real comb, but you might want to ask your parents first. Or you can use branches, you can use anything from nature, but I like to just use like a regular cereal box. This is a fruit snack box, and I just cut off some of these pieces like this, and then I cut them into this zigzag or square pattern here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down two primary colors. So I've got some yellow, and I'm going to use some blue. And yellow and blue will make green. Now I could use a brush and smear it around. I could even use one of these flat edges here, and you see how that's smearing the paint around. So that makes a really neat, interesting design. And you can still see some of that yellow coming through. Of course, it mixed into green. And then I might use this actual edge that I've created. So I can make some neat designs. And of course, if you want them closer together, cut them closer together. I'm actually going to use this one, which they're much closer. And if I want it to look like water, so I can do some fun things like that. And of course you can use whichever colors you want, whatever you have. This is tempera paint, but it works with acrylic paint. I don't know about watercolor. You could try that if you want to, but have fun.